VEVOR Utility Service Cart Review, a heavy-duty essential for home and garage use. If you're looking for a reliable and rugged utility cart to handle heavy lifting around the home, garage, or workspace, the VEVOR 2-shelf utility service cart is a strong contender. With a load capacity of 550 pounds, this cart is built with durable, fade-resistant polypropylene and a high-density structural foam frame that's both sturdy and lightweight. One of its standout features is the 360-degree swivel wheels, 2 of which lock for added stability, ideal when navigating slopes or tight spaces. The 5-inch PVC wheels roll smoothly and quietly without leaving marks on the floor. The top-lipped shelf includes an ergonomic handle with a built-in compartment for cups or tools, while additional side holes allow you to attach hooks or accessories for added convenience. Assembly is also a breeze, taking just minutes with the included instructions. Perfect for transporting tools, kitchen supplies, or cleaning equipment, this cart adapts well to both home and professional settings. Pros: strong 550 pounds load capacity. Lockable swivel wheels with smooth operation. Ergonomic handle with storage. Quick and easy assembly. Versatile for many environments. Cons: bulky for small indoor spaces. Weighs over 47 pounds when empty. A reliable investment for serious utility. Thank you for watching this video. If you found this video helpful, please hit the subscribe button, press the bell icon, and comment below. Check out the description to find the product link.